can't look you in the face. I don't wanna have to lie. I wanted this love to survive. Now when I look in your I feel paralyzed. Now I know it's over. I see you passing by, hand in hand, with your perfect light. My body goes numb, feels like someone cut out my tongue. I didn't know a heart could die this young. Oh, now when I look in your I feel paralyzed.
Sometimes, something beautiful happens in this world. You don't know how to express yourself, so you just gotta sing.
I just had sex, and it felt so good. I wanna let me put my penis inside of her. I just had sex, and I'll never go back. Till the not having sex ways of the past.
Have you ever had sex? I haven't felt great. It felt so good when I did it with my penis. A girl let me do it. It literally just happened. Having sex can make a nice man out the meanest.
Never guess where I just came from. I had sex. If I had to describe the feeling, it was the best. When I had the sex, man, my penis felt great. And I called my parents right after I was done.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Guess what I just did? Had sex, undressed, saw her boobies and the rest.
Was sure nice of her to let you do that thing.
Nicer than any girl ever.
Now sing.
I just had sex, and it felt so good. I wanna let me put my penis inside of her. I wanna tell the world.
To be honest, I'm surprised she even wanted me to do it.
Doesn't really make sense.
But man, screw it.
I ain't one to argue with a good thing.
She could be my wife.
That good?
The best 30 seconds of my life.
I'm so humbled by a girl's ability to let me do
Cause
it.
honestly, I'd have sex with a pile of manure. With that in mind, a soft, nice smelling girl's better.
Plus she let me wear my chain and my turtleneck sweater.
So this one's dedicated to them girls that let us flop around on the top of them. Yeah, the wrong ball when the shooter tall. We wanna thank you all for letting us fuck
She
you.
kept looking at her watch,
Doesn't matter had sex.
but I cried the whole time.
Doesn't matter had
I
sex.
think she might have been a racist.
Doesn't matter had sex.
She put a bag on my head.